Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group guys. And in this video, we are going to see the PhD admission notification in one of the national institute or the government college. And here the eligibility is the PG, and here they mentioned in the notification that the candidates whoever selected for this PhD program, then they are going to get the 60,000 rupees per month fellowship, as well as the allowances also will be available, and the annual contingency 40,000 rupees per month is going to get guys. So it is a very good news to the candidates who wants to do the PhD in the National Institute with very good fellowship amount. And let us see the details regarding this notification. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here we may check down that it is Homi Bhabha National Institute. So if you got the PhD admission in this institute, then it will be a very good opportunity guys. So you may check down. The selected students will be admitted to one of the following constitute institution of HBNI. So Bhabha Atomic Research Center Mumbai, or else Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research Kalpakkam, and Institute for Plasma Research Gandhinagar, and Variable Energy Cyclotron Center Kolkata. Fine. So from these different 4 centers, okay, the selected candidates are going to be admitted for the PhD program. Fine. So the last date for receipt of the application is 28th Feb 2021, that you may check down here. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. And you can check down here, the selected candidates will be awarded fellowship under the DAE, that is Doctoral Fellowship Scheme for pursuing the PhD. The fellowship under DDFS is attainable for 3 years, and any further extension is based upon the progress made in the PhD program and the recommendations of the competent authority. And the no extension, I mean in any case if the extension is done, no extension will be given beyond 5 years. So the amount of fellowship payable under the scheme is 60,000 rupees per month, and besides house rent allowance and the medical benefits also will be available. And the annual contingency for your research expenditures, they will give the 40,000 rupees per year. And the selected fellows will carry out the research under the joint supervision of 2 guides, one having strength in basic research and another in the technology development. And one has to make own arrangement for accommodation guys. And what is eligibility here is that the candidate should possess the ME or MTech or equivalent postgraduate in chemical, computer, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical, metallurgical, nuclear engineering with minimum 60% of marks. And in addition to this, the student should have the 60% marks in BE or BTech or any other degree considered to enter ME or MTech program. The qualifying 60% marks should be as per the ordinance of the respective degree awarding university. So these are the eligibility guys. And coming to the age limit, the candidates desirous of availing the DDFS fellowship should have been born on or after 1st August 1993. So age limit is relaxable by 3 years for OBC non-creamy layer and 5 years for the SC/ST applicants. And for PWD applicants, up to the 10 years of age relaxation. And the age limit for candidates working as faculty in engineering college is up to 40 years who desire to pursue PhD without the fellowship grant. And the nationality must be Indian. And coming to the selection procedure, so it based upon the screening exam will be there. That means the written screening exam. Okay, tentatively on March 21st, 2021. And candidates whoever the shortlisted in the screening test, they will be called for the interview. And there will be 25% weightage for the BE BTech percentage and 25% weightage for the ME or MTech. Semester 1 and 2 percentages and 50% weightage for percentage in BA RC screening exam. And the exam related information is also given here. The question paper in each discipline will contain of 50 questions with 4 choices will be there. And each and every question carries the 3 marks for the correct question, and for the wrong question you will lose the -1 mark. That means you will lose one mark. The duration of the exam will be 90 minutes, and candidates are not permitted to bring the calculator or mobile phones or any gadgets. And how to apply means only the online application will be accepted. Okay, so I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So here the application link is there. Okay, so if you click on this link, then you will be directed to the online application, guys. Okay, I will show you. The duration is up to 28th is the last date, Feb 28th. And if you are having any queries, then here the mail ID is provided. And the download for admitting cards March 4th, and the screening examination tentative March 21st, and the declaration of shortlisted candidates April 4th, and the selection of interviews April 18th, and the declaration of list of selected candidates on May 3rd, 2021. Okay, and if you click on this link, then you will be directed to the online application form website that you may check down here, guys. So if you are the new candidate, then click on this register new. Okay, so before that one, you may check the applications here. Anyhow, all the points that we already gone through just now. So click on this register as a new candidate. Then you have to fill up the few details to get the user ID as well as the password. Okay, so after that one, you may start filling up your online application form. Okay, guys. So these are the details regarding the PhD admission notification in the National Institute, guys. Okay, so utilize this opportunity under the Department of Atomic Energy. Okay, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.